Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, this is a little spontaneous video. Y'all know I usually don't upload videos on Wednesdays, but like I told y'all yesterday, if you be following along at home every day, that I was gonna do a video today on some banana muffins. Y'all know at work, like I was telling y'all, if you watch my video from work, my last day at work, this is one of my guilty pleasures at my job. Is banana muffins. They make them fresh in-house every day, hot and warm. It's nothing like I like blueberry muffins. I like a morning glory muffin, which is all it is a carrot cake muffin. But this is my favorite banana muffins. I don't put no nuts in them. Just simple banana muffins. And this recipe, y'all, this procedure is so easy. You can make this with your kids. It's that simple and that easy. Just really two steps. Really two steps. First thing, the key is these bananas here, they have to be ripe. You don't want to use a green banana here. Just like if you're making a banana nut bread or something like that, you do not want your bananas to be green. You want them to be ripe. Pretty much just totally, see that? Got a little dark on them. Let me show y'all here as I open them up. This is what you want, y'all. See that? You want them completely ripe. I'll show y'all. I'm going to peel it. And this recipe calls about 1.5 cups of bananas, which is like pretty much 3 bananas. And what I'm going to do, first thing I like to do, I want to mash them up. You can use a fork. I just use a regular tomato masher. Potato masher, y'all. Smash them up, not too much. I don't want them too, I don't like them too smooth. I want to have some chunk to it. That's pretty much it, right there. Let me get my spatula here. See, that's as chunky as I want them. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put my vanilla in here. Let me whip my eggs up here. I'm telling y'all, this is so easy to put together, y'all. Crazy how easy this is to put together. Mix my eggs up. I got a couple of eggs here. All right, pour the eggs in there. Get them all out of there. Mix that up in there just like that. All mixed good together. There we go. All right, there's that part. Now, add the butter to this. So all we got in here is bananas, butter, and eggs, and vanilla. Okay, now in another bowl here, I want to mix my dry in here. All I got is some flour, my sugar, I got baking powder and baking soda, and a little cinnamon. Mix this up together. Mix all my dry up together really good. Drop in here. See how easy this coming together, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is so easy. See that? See that? They ain't took 5 minutes to do, did it? Now, all I'm gonna do is add the dry to the wet. Add this flour to the wet. This is what you got to be very careful, y'all. You do not want to overmix this, because if you do, you're not going to have a nice fluffy muffin. You're going to have a tough muffin. You don't want to develop, you want to develop as less gluten in the flour as possible. Y'all know gluten is when you keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing, you want to develop gluten. Here you don't want to develop no gluten, y'all. That's all you want to do right there. That's it. That is it, y'all. Muffin mix is ready. See how easy was that? Now look, people gonna ask me, can you add this, can you add that? If you wanna add nuts to this, you can. You wanna add cranberries to this, you can. You wanna add some blueberries to this, you can. Make it your own. I tell people this all the time. Now, if you take out the baking powder and baking soda, of course it's not gonna work. But if you just wanna add extra fruit and extra nuts or whatever, it's not gonna hurt it at all, y'all. So I'm gonna step off and clean up a little. I'm gonna come back. I got my muffin tins here ready to scoop up. So simple, so easy. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, I got my muffin tins here, y'all. I got my little, I call them the cupcake holders, you know, when you make cupcakes in. And all I'm gonna do, I got my oven preset at 425 degrees. We're gonna cook it for 5 minutes on 425 degrees. After 5 minutes, make sure, it's very important this step, y'all. After 5 minutes, you're gonna turn the oven down to 350 and cook it another 12 to 15 minutes. The reason then I got 425, I really want that baking soda, baking powder to just give a good reaction for 5 minutes and really get going, to really activate. And then after that, it'll I'll put it down to 350 and let it cook all the way. The acidity in these bananas is gonna really help this baking soda react. Anytime you use baking soda, as you know, there's something in there with some acidity in it to really help it react. The bananas have enough acidity in it to make that baking soda react, but the heat and the acidity from the banana is gonna really make it react. So anyway, y'all, let's scoop these up here. Okay, the first one gonna act crazy on me. There we go. There we go. And I like to fill these up a lot, y'all. I'm gonna come back here in a second and really fill them up. Make them really full. Y'all see I'm giving a hefty amount in there, y'all. See that? There we go. But I like them to, I like my muffins to kind of come over the, not over the top, but really fill up the paper, y'all. This way. There we go. Like I say, y'all, this is very simple. Been making these. This is my guilty pleasure when I used to work early in the morning. Okay, we're gonna try to fill the rest of them up as much as possible here. Use all the batter. More there. More here. Go. One more here. Get a little bit more out of here. That's it, y'all. Now, step off. Put them in the oven. 425 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna come back. Turn the oven down, 350. 12 to 15 minutes. Watch it after 12 minutes. Might have to go. It's going to be nice and springy to the touch. I'm telling y'all. You can make this with your kids. It's a good weekend thing you can make on the weekends. Awesome. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. And look what we got here, y'all. See this? See those nice muffins? See those bananas just sticking up at the top? See? They're firm to the touch. Look at that. Perfectly cooked. Now I'm gonna let them sit in here about 2 or 3 minutes, cause I like to eat mine warm with some butter on it. Don't judge me. That's just like I like to eat my banana muffins. But I'm gonna let them sit here about 2 or 3 minutes. We're gonna come back, then we're gonna try one of them. And like I say, y'all, it's so easy when you put them in the little paper. I call them cupcake paper things, what holders, or you can call them muffin paper holders, whatever. It's easy to get them out of the muffin tins. I learned that years ago. It's nothing so frustrating. You make a nice, beautiful muffin, you spray the pan, or you think you sprayed it good, and you can't get them out. So that's very frustrating. So go pay $1, couple of bucks for, it's like 100 in a pack of these things. And you know, if you make muffins as much as I do and cupcakes as much as I do, it's a good a couple of bucks. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, let's try these out. These things are still warm. That's why I like to eat them. Move that over out the way. Get this big boy right here. Take the little paper off of it. Oh, I love to do the paper, y'all. Open this sucker up. Let me show y'all how moist this thing gonna be. Let me show y'all. Give you a close-up. Somebody out there gonna kind of look how moist that is. See that? See how moist that is? You just shake it and see. Okay. That's what I like to do. Give me some butter. A little soft butter. Put me some butter on there. Don't judge me. Don't say that's too much butter. It ain't gonna good for you. Well, it ain't good for you buying all these mixes in the store instead of making your own stuff. That's what's not good for you. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Tell me that ain't good eating right there. Let me try. Here goes the bite here. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. Taste that cinnamon in there. Nice banana. It's so moist. See how moist this is, y'all. Look at that. That's how muffin's supposed to be. That's the key, not to overmix it. Not overmix your muffin mix. A little bit more butter. Oh, wow. My neighbor kids, they love these things. I think it's the best thing since sliced bread. I'm going to tell y'all again, I'm very adamant about this. Stop buying mixes in the store. You don't know what's in this stuff. Make your own stuff where you know what you're putting in it. It's a lot of preserving, a lot of stuff. I promise you, I say this all the time to people. I think the cancer rate will be very low if people start cooking at home and making their own stuff instead of buying mixes and all this stuff in the cans. And I really do. I just believe that. All this artificial and preservatives and all, that stuff is not naturally good for you. Make your stuff at home. It doesn't take much. It's an extra step. It's an extra step. Y'all see how quick this was for me. I'm going to go in again with another piece here. A piece of butter. Oh my God, now. Another thing, y'all, these freeze very good. These I would put in a Ziploc bag. I wouldn't put in a food saver because I wouldn't want to smash them. Put a freezer Ziploc bag, lay them in the freezer. You want a muffin, you take them out, pop them in the microwave, 10 seconds. It's like you made them from scratch. All right, y'all, one more bite here. That's it. Ain't no wrong. Like I said, y'all, you can add nuts to this, cranberries, blackberries, blueberries, but dried though. I wouldn't suggest putting fresh in this one. You can, but it's gonna, if you put blueberries in here with the banana, you're gonna have different colors. You can do that now. But if you want them to have that nice, clean color, I prefer to do dried, but you can use fresh raspberries, fresh blueberries, fresh blackberries if you want to. Also, you put your nuts in there, walnuts, pecans, put raisins in it. But I wouldn't alter the flour and the baking soda and all that sugar. Don't mess with that. When it comes to baking, it's very precise. Don't mess with that. But you can always add whatever fruits and nuts and whatever you want to it. If you want to, I've also done this. If you want to take your mandolin and julienne, use some zucchini and some carrots and put in there, that works well too together. So yeah, it's unending what you can add to this. So anyway, y'all, little impromptu video. I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna eat about 2 of these things. I love these things before they get cold. Put some more butter on them. But anyway, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.